So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and we'll talk about the common FAQs regarding the Google Launchpad for Women's International Women's Day edition. Here some of your queries you have commented in my previous video. In case you haven't watched this video, make sure to watch it. I have covered all things in detail. Now coming over here to the top FAQs. First FAQ is that here it's mentioned women's. So it is only for women only, or can anyone take part in it and get the certificates and swag? So the first FAQ, let me clear, anyone can take part in it. Make sure you are at least 18 plus age, then you can take part in it. There is no limitation whether you are man, female or any other gender. Then also you can take part in it and register free of cost. Now coming over here to the FAQs, so that is the event FAQ. That is, it is a no cost training program. Okay, you don't have to pay a single penny for it, and you'll be getting a 2-day virtual trainer. Means they'll be guiding you. Even if you don't know anything, they'll be guiding you, they'll be answering your queries, all the things. Apart from this, you'll be getting a certification voucher, okay, worth $99. After that, they'll be giving you a certification voucher. Once you give the exam, you'll be eligible for getting the swags also, which you can redeem on the swags portal. Okay, it's mostly t-shirt, hoodies, bag, badges, cup, etc. Now here, will the sessions be recording? So it won't be recorded, it will be live only, so you need to attend it during that time. Okay, you'll be notified once you register. Now here, general FAQs, these are the FAQs. Okay, certification FAQs, that you need to take the exam by 8th of April. After that, you won't be able to get the goodies. The certification exam you can take, but the goodies will be only eligible for the people who take the exam by 8th of February. Okay. And here are the queries like how much the time. For exams, do not worry if you just redeem the voucher. It will be around 90 minutes and it will consist of only MCQs. Okay, you have to simply answer this. And here you can see they have mentioned you'll be getting a $50 Google Swag voucher which you can redeem, and that will be also to the first 500 people to pass the exam. Just by completing and registration won't help you for getting the swags. You need to pass the exam also, and in the exam it is online proctored, so there is no chance of any cheating, which most people might be thinking also. It will be proctored, so make sure to be honest throughout the journey, because they'll be asking your government ID also in the exam. Now here some of your queries, let me answer it. There will be a 2-day session. Okay, so it will consider all the GenAI concepts. Apart from this, fundamental, foundational, all these concepts will be covered in the live session. It will be a 2-day live session. After that, there will be office hour, which will help you. Means you can see it as a doubt counter. You can consider it as a doubt counter. They'll be just answering your doubts over here. Okay. So like this, you can see these are your speakers. They are already working in Google. They'll be helping you, and there is no limitation. You can take part in it. It's a very amazing opportunity for all the young learners. So make sure to take the best benefit of it. I hope it clears your doubt. And one more query most people are asking, when you register over here, it asks for access code. See, sometimes college ID is not applicable, then you need to have a corporate email ID. If your brother and sister is taking part or is a part of any company, you can mention their email ID and just get the voucher. So this is the important thing. Student ID rarely work. I have tested it previous time also. Most of the people have commented that I have tested previously also in some of the certification exam. They rejected my student ID. So in that case, just check it out, and do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day.